Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to actually edit videos using Canva. Alright, so the Canva app is not just for editing graphics. Alright, so you can also edit some videos here. So at this top section here, you can just select videos, right? So you can select how you want the video to be. Is either you want the video to be landscape. Landscape is like, it's almost as if you are turning your phone sideways, right? And then if you want the video to be mobile, like the way you normally hold your phone straight, right, you can make a Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok videos. There are various formats you can use, but I'm just going to select let's say an Instagram reel, right? So if I select an Instagram reel, I can select any of these videos here, right? I can select any of these videos here. I can also filter the kind of video I'm looking for, right? Let's say style. I'll say style. I could make it, let's say, a creative video. If I click on apply, right, so other videos are going to pop up here, and let me select this video, for example. All right, so I've selected this video and I'm going to show you some features that you have alongside. All right, so if you see videos, you see that we have we call this a timeline. All right, so you can add more videos to this video is currently 8 seconds. You can add more videos to it. All right, you can add text, to this particular videos. You can add text, you can add elements, you can add designs to this particular video. All right, so these are some things you can also do. But then, in this video, what you can do is you can change the color of the video. Right, you can change the color of the video. Let's say you want to change it to be a brighter color, right? You want to change the video to be, let's say, a brighter color, you can do that. All right, you can change the effects of the video. Right, if you're using the pro plan, you'll be able to change the background of your video. So let's say you recorded a video of yourself talking, right? You can actually use the pro feature here to change the background of that video. All right, you can also use several filters in your videos, so there are some functions you can actually do here. But let's add another video to it. So I'm going to go to the plus icon, right, and I'm going to select, let's say, this video. So I can add, let me go back. This one has multiple videos, but if I click on the plus icon here, right, I'm looking for a single video. This one has multiple videos attached, right? So I'm going to select this. This one still has multiple videos. So let me select this actually. Right, so basically you can see that we have one video playing, and then it moves into another video playing. I can adjust the length of the video. That's this current video is 10 seconds, this one is 10 seconds, the first one is 8 seconds. So in addition, both videos are about 18 seconds. But I can reduce the time of this video. You can see I want this video to be shorter to, let's say, 4.6 seconds. I want this second video to be shorter. I can add a third video to it. I can change the color of the video. All right, and I can also, there's what we call transition here, right? So guys, there's what we call transition. So let me move, right? So there's what we call transition here, guys. Between each video there is this plus icon here, this plus icon, right? So that will determine how the first video will move into the second video, right? So if you look at it, we'll call it the transition. So I can change that transition. If I click on it and I click on transition, right, and I change it to, I can change it to anything I want. Let's say slide, right? If I tap on it, okay, slide is all right. So so I'm going to cancel this transition now. So if we go back to this video and we'll start playing it, see that if it moves from the first video to the second video, it's going to apply that transition to it. So I can add more videos. Just the thing with Canva is that you just have to find ways to be very creative about it, right? You need to find ways to be very creative about it and just keep playing around. And the more you edit these videos, right, the better you get at the more you edit these videos, the better you get at using videos on Canva, right? So let me add another video to this. right? This time around I'm going to add a video from my phone. You can also add videos from your phone gallery. So if you recorded the video, you can add that here. I'm going to check through my phone gallery and see what video I can add. Right, so let's say I want to add this. I'll add to page. Right, so this video has a volume. Right, so this video has a volume. The first thing I want to do, let's say I want to reduce the length of this video. I'll just take this stuff here and drag it. I can reduce the length, how long the video is, right? So after reducing the length, another thing I may want to do is to change the transition, right? Guys, I talked about transition before. I can change this transition to dissolve, right? Go back, change the transition. Then there are so many things. I can split this video if I want. Let me tap on this video and split. Right, I can split it into, splitting is basically you taking one video and cutting it into multiple videos, into two. Right, that's what splitting is. And I can add text to this video if I want, text or element, right? I can add text, I can add shapes, I can add graphics, all these things. I can add them to this video. So guys, it's just a matter of being creative with all this stuff, and you can really achieve a lot with this video editing on Canva, right? So you can see that the options are so limitless. Like, you can add text, you can add more videos, transition, and make your video really creative. You can, after doing all this, right, you can now save your design. So let's say you want to save your design. You're going to come to this top right icon, click on it, and then go to download or share to, you can share it to social media, and that's it, guys. You can actually edit cool videos on Canva.